Okay, let's start changing some wheels. It's always easier with a floor jack than a regular one. And before you start racing, you need to lock the front wheels on this one. And there. Front wheels are locked. Raise it carefully. Make sure it doesn't slide off the floor jack. And I think that's enough height. Normally you should put jack stands under this one, but first of all I don't have that small jack stands. You could also use a piece of wood, but it's a foot snow outside, so I'm not going to go out to get some wood. So I think I can make it without jack stands because I'm not going to go under the cart. I'm just going to be on the sides of them. So even if it falls down, it won't hurt me. Let's start untying. Both wheels off. Let's see if it's the same bolt pattern. I hope so. Alright. Oh, it might work. Let's try to grease the wheels. I have a grease gun, but it's not going to do much good. The space here is so narrow. So I use my grease cartridge and a paintbrush. And I'm going to try to let's see. He's ready to use it. Spring goes by, summer comes, and all of a sudden, oh that's right, I need to do that in the garden. So he gets his roller, and the wheel either it won't turn or it turns very hard, so it doesn't really follow the ground. And he's like, what the? I put new wheels on it last summer and now they're not working. And you know who's going to get to blame? Yeah, the company that's selling these wheels for $10. He's going to blame them. And he spreads over social media. And the company that sold these, they didn't do anything wrong. I mean, when they order these from China, they have specifications with a ball roller bearing, greased up. But you know, they order probably 100,000 of these. They can't go around check every one, so they trust the manufacturer. So the company that sold this get a bad rap on internet because of some stupid do-it-yourself doesn't know what he's doing, doesn't know what to check. Things like that pisses me off. Anyway, I'm gonna reset the camera and put this on the cart. Hey, I'm back. Okay. Let's see if this works. Even if the bolt pattern wasn't exactly the same. Okay, these wheels we're saving. I'm a pack rat. Before we lower it, make sure the wheels are spinning freely, not catching in anything. This one is catching in the floor jack, so but it goes around. Lower it slowly. There we go. Release the brakes. And test drive. Ooh. Much better. This one, I've been moving this around. Can you see that? Oh, let's get the camera up a little bit. Right there. I'm moving this around in the garage. It always seems to be in my way. So I thought, well, I put it on the tool cart, the roll around cart. Well, where? It doesn't fit in the holes in here. And even if I make these holes bigger, ooh, why didn't I think of that? Let's see if I do it this way. Yeah, it clears. But yeah, I was gonna put it here. I was gonna drill a hole in this tray. This one, size of this one is 25. but this one is 28. So if I do 25 hole, it goes down a little bit. It goes down in a hole here, and then I was going to put this up here. So it'll be like this. That was my plan. But I have a lot of extra holes in here that I'm not using. So if I make one of these holes bigger, I can put it down here. And it goes free from the gas shock I just put in. It's not going to interfere with that one. So let's drill a hole, boys and girls. Perfect. So let's see here. The thickest part on this one, that's up here. It's 28, not 27. 28. So let's make it 30. This one goes up to 30. So if I put this one all the way through, that'll be perfect. How about the length? Don't forget that. It's too long, because it will only go down to there, and I can't close the lid. So my first idea is better. That's what I'm going to have to do. One more. Perfect. See? Sits there by itself. So the top one. First we screw this because it's kind of wide. Be able to get 2 bolt holes. I'm going to tighten it as much as I can. still fits in here. That's closer. Cut this off. Heavy duty cutter, see if it works. No problem. Not going to open that anyway. If this works. Self-tapping screws, but it's double metal. I think it worked. Oop. But this doesn't work. It goes straight through. You gotta put a washer on it. This work? Kind of, not really. I wish I had some other washers. Some other washers. This one. Yeah, that'll probably work. Leave it a little bit loose so you can adjust it. Get the other one in there. See, now I can move it over on that side. Final assembly, do with the screwdriver so you get it where you want it. Also, if you use the screwdriver, there's less chance that you tighten it too hard and strip the threads. There! Does it work? Perfect. Or anybody disagree? Put this back. Oh. You can tell I've been practicing a lot. I went straight in the hole.